Imagine living in a home where your windows transform at the touch of a button. One moment, they're clear and open, flooding your space with natural light. The next, they turn completely private, shielding you from the outside world without a single curtain or blind. This isn't science fiction, it's the reality of smart PDLC film.
PDLC stands for Polymer Dispersed Liquid Crystal. It's a high-tech film that can be applied to any existing glass surface, your windows, your shower enclosures, your glass partitions. In its natural state, the liquid crystals are scattered randomly, making the glass appear opaque. But when an electric current passes through, those crystals align perfectly, turning the glass crystal clear in a split second.
First, and most importantly, instant, adjustable privacy. In a busy neighborhood or a ground floor apartment, you often have to choose between daylight and your personal space. With smart PDLC film, you don't compromise. Keep it clear to enjoy the view, then switch to opaque mode whenever you need seclusion. No more fussing with heavy drapes, no more dusty blinds. Just pure, elegant control.
Next, energy efficiency. Smart PDLC film isn't just about looks, it's a functional barrier. In its opaque state, the film diffuses and reflects a significant amount of solar heat and harmful UV rays. This keeps your interiors noticeably cooler during scorching summers, reducing your reliance on air conditioning. In winter, that same layer adds an extra pocket of insulation against the cold. The result? Lower energy bills and a more sustainable home.
For the modern home that embraces open-plan design, PDLC film becomes an architectural tool. You can instantly section off a study, a guest area, or a home office without building walls. Keep the glass clear to maintain that spacious, airy feel when you're alone. Then, with one tap, make it opaque for confidential meetings or to create a cozy, intimate room. The flexibility is unmatched.